Hello and welcome to Dubai. And we are in the Museum of the Future. And those little flying fish are just floating around the ceiling. Someone's controlling them. The Museum of the Future is devoted to innovative and logistics ideologies. The museum takes you on a journey to the year 2071.
I'm a digital resident of the Museum of the Future. Welcome to my home. Like everything you see here, I was envisioned by the Dubai Future Foundation and brought to life by storytellers, visionary technologists, and artists around the world. Welcome everyone. You are now standing on the deck of Space Station Home, 600 kilometers above Earth.
Our first stop in the museum is on the 5th floor, and this is the Orbital space station. The theme of this floor is focused on life in space in the year 2071. And explores how the future of space travel can help humanity address their challenges. After spending some time in space, we come back to Earth and land at the spaceport in Dubai. This next section is the Healing Institute. It highlights the ecology and biodiversity in the future, where visitors can focus on repairing, restoring, and renewing life on Earth. This room shows what it would be like to have the DNA saved for over 4,000 different types of creatures that live on Earth, so that they can be restored should they become extinct. This room showed the interaction and interdependency that all living things here on Earth have with each other. The next level of the museum is called the Oasis. It's a place where visitors can experience different therapies on this floor to connect with their senses, to stay focused and grounded. This place here was almost like walking on water.
Welcome pioneers, welcome to Connection Therapy. So today we'll only be using our voices. So into the speaker, you will just slow it down, you'll either
I'm relaxing. Laura's relaxing. I'm not sure how relaxing that was, but it did feel good to lie down for a minute. The last level of the museum we were on is called Tomorrow Today. This floor highlights the cutting-edge technology and innovative concepts, addressing present solutions in response to global challenges. This floor also reflects the museum's work with its strategic partners as it acts as an incubator and laboratory for global foresight. I would have loved to go to school in this flying school bus. The architecture of the building is unique, and the Arabic writing that is on the outside of it, which is really windows, are quotes from famous UAE leaders, and they include, "We won't live for 100 years, but the products of our creativity can leave a legacy long after we're gone. The future will be for those who will be able to imagine, design, and build it. The future does not wait. The future can be designed and built today." And finally, the secret of the renewal of life, the development of civilization, and the progress of humanity is, in one word, innovation. If you liked our video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Around the World in 274 Days, Bob Allen Travels. And be sure to hit the notification bell so you're notified every time we post a new video. Thanks for watching.